Uthurimi wa thairi milioni 4.4 iria cianeanirwo kuri kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka tariki 10 mweri uyu riu no wambitie. Akiaria hindi ya uruguria uyu, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC Wafula Chebukati oigite mihang'o ino igukorwo igitwarithio na mbere ni makarani 400
verification process of supporting signatures
aria marire muhito wa kuiga thiri cia kamiti ino.
There were 139,475 applications received and 400 of you were chosen. I don't know, he talks about, there must have, of course, have been some framework why the 400 of you are picked. I want to believe you are the best of the best.
The wage of the clerk, including their transport, is 1,200. In our budget estimate, we had actually agreed on a figure of 37 days, say approximately 40 days.
Kuringana na kamiti ino, uthurimi ugukorwo ugithi na mbere ihinda-ini ria thiku 40 riria rikinya ria mbere ria kamiti ino ria kuhaririria kura ya mawoni hari gucenjia icunje imwe cia gatiba kuhitukira BBI.
Our work as a commission, as per the law, is first to ensure that this initiative meets 1 million signatures.
Chebukati ningi niekirire nganja uhotekeku wa gutabania kura ya mawoni mweri wa gatandatu mwaka ukite, toria atwarithia a BBI makoretwo makiendekithia.
This is a process which we are facing. It has 5 phases. This is phase 1, the signature verification. After that, we forward the bill to the counties. Once we get a report that the initiative meets the 1 million signatures, the counties have up to 3 months to debate and return their findings. The commission will be able to roll out its own timelines depending on how this process goes. So we cannot for now give a definite date for referendum.
Kamiti ino ningi ni ireganite na muhu ati kura ya maoni igukorwo na ciuria itiganite.
In fact, some even assert that we have decided to undertake multiple questions. I don't know who told them or who guided them. Some were even asserting that they have sources in IEBC, some bloggers saying we have already decided. This is all lies. So it's not going to be the prerogative only IEBC. So this is going to be a consultative process as envisaged in the law. And therefore, these speculations and rumor mongering, I think is ill-founded and it's not helpful.
Arugamiri a kamiti ino ni moigite mbeca iria mamukirite kuma kuri thirikari ti njiganu, no ni megutwarithia mihang'o yao na mbere o metereire mbeca iria ciothe metitie.
We are served with a notice for us to do referendum, then we'll actually be able to go and defend our budget to the National Treasury, and then after that a final figure will basically be announced. And we don't want to make it as a political game whereby we say our figures, they say their figures, and then you start questioning us. I think we need to be shielded from this kind of questions.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjiku.